Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about it's a review about Lavany's 2-in-1 Women's Electric Trimmer and Shaver. It looks like this. I did film a demo of me using it, and I'm going to insert that later in the video. But first, I'm going to talk to you guys about it, and then I'll insert the clip, and then at the end I'll tell you my final thoughts on it. So, first I'm going to read to you what it says on the website. I did get it from Amazon. Lavany's Ladies Electric Trimmer and Shaver is a precision 2-in-1 women's trimmer for eyebrows, nose, facial, and body hair removal. Battery operated and washable. The Lavany 2-in-1 Women's Electric Trimmer and Shaver is designed to effectively trim raised eyebrows and create a perfect eyebrow shape. With a detachable nose trimmer head, it can also be used to trim nose hair. This device trims hair instantly and painlessly without causing any redness or irritation. It is portable, so you can carry it whenever you go and use it anywhere. This device includes an eyebrow trimmer head and a nose trimmer head to suit your various trimming and shaving needs. The double-sided eyebrow trimmer head can effectively trim raised eyebrow and excessive facial hair. The circular nose trimmer head can be rotated 360 degrees and is great for removing nose hair close to the skin. Sharp stainless steel blades control your excess hair without causing any pulls, cuts, redness, or irritation. Simple rotate. Oh, simple. I can't rotate. Simply rotate the head to remove it and swap with another head. You can rinse the trimmer head under running water after use. So this is what it looks like out of the box. This is the actual shaver itself. This is the cap that goes on top of the shaver. This is a brush to help clean the product, and then this is the nose trimmer. This is the nose trimmer right here. I like the packaging. I like the color. It's white, but has a little bit of shimmer to it. And then I do like how the lettering is in pink. And I like the button right here. So you push the button to turn it on. And that's it. It does come with a double-sided head. This is the big side, and then the bottom is the short. So the big one is for the bigger parts of your face, and the small one is for the smaller parts of your face. This is the cap, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. And this is what it looks like with the cap. I do like the size. It's not too big and it's not too small. You can actually carry this in your purse. And then this is the little brush that you can use to clean it. And then this is the nose trimmer. Okay. So now I'm going to insert the clip, and then after the clip, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what I think about this product. So I did take my whole makeup off, even my eyebrows, because I am going to try it out on everything. The nose trimmer to fix my eyebrows and to take the hair off my face. I did recently take the hair off my face, so hopefully I have enough hair for you guys to actually see it work. So you just push the button right here. So when I remove the hair from my face, I take all of this off, and then all the hair I have down here, right here, here, on my forehead and on the sides, and even down my eyebrows. But I also try to take the hair around my eyebrows off. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then I'm just going to try the trimmer. And I'm pretty scared to try this one, but you know. So I'm just going to start off by taking off my face makeup, and I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I'm going to start off by taking this side off. I'm going to be using the big trimmer. You do have to be careful with this. You want to do it slow because it is pulling on my hairs, so it's hurting a little bit. But if you go slow, it's not a big problem. And I do like how it's taking off the hair. That actually took the hair off really fast. And I'm going to use the smaller side to take the hair off from the smaller parts of my face, like around my mouth, around my nose, and around my eyebrows. That was really easy. Now I'm going to do around my eyebrows, which I hope I don't shave them off. So I'm just going to hold my eyebrow hair just to make sure that I don't cut none of that off. And I'm just going to remove the hair under my finger. Oh, that actually did a really good job. I like this for my eyebrows. I do have to say, I love the way it took the hair off on my eyebrows with no trouble. I've tried other razors like this before, and I can never get my eyebrows right. I'm gonna go ahead and try the nose trimmer. So to take the top part, you just want to twist it like that and pull it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the nose trimmer and pop this in. So you just wanna put it and then twist it like this. I've never trimmed my nose hairs before, and I was scared to put it in my nose, but girl. So it works better if you go in circular motions. It doesn't pull your nose hair, it doesn't hurt anything, so that's pretty good. But I am going to use the little head, and I'm going to move it around the outside of the nose, just so it can get the outside of the nose hair.
My nose has never been this hair free, okay? I can actually breathe better.
It did not leave my face red or irritated. Like I've used other ones, and they do tend to pull my hair really hard, and my skin does get a little bit red and bumpy, and I don't like that. But this one didn't do that at all. And then what I really loved about it is that the small head really helped to remove any hair that I had around my eyebrows. It was like I was shocked, and I was pretty impressed with this side right here. I took off the hair under my eyebrows and on top really fast and really effortlessly, and it didn't hurt at all either. And then I also used the small side to take the hair from my nose outside outside here. It didn't hurt at all either. And I also used it to remove the hair from right here on top of my lip and around my nose and this area right here. And then I used the big one to remove anything else from my face, and I did like it. But the thing that I really, really loved was the nose trimmer. I've never trimmed my nose before, and then I thought this was gonna hurt, and I was really scared to put it in my nose, but it didn't hurt at all. I didn't pull my hair either, and it removed it really fast, and my nose looks great right now, y'all. I like it. I do recommend it. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I did get it from Amazon, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.